meantime, let's talk about TMC Supremo and former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee that plans to hold a sit-in protest against reported post-poll violence at the Rani Rashmani Road next Tuesday. So what is being said that the Trinamool Congress has submitted a letter to the police seeking a permission to protest. However, when it comes to certain incidents of post-poll violence is something which Mamata Banerjee wants to highlight. And this is the manner in which now sitting in the opposition, the TMC plans to do. So former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is now expected to hold a sit-in protest against incidents of post-poll violence. And this is, expected to be done on Tuesday. But before that, formal permission is now being sought. And a letter that is now being given to the police seeking permission for the protest for this dharna to be held. So this is dharna politics as far as TMC and Mamata Banerjee, which is known for as far as this dharna that is now being planned on part of the TMC. Pooja, we are getting this information, dharna on part of Mamata Banerjee that is being planned next week, and she says it is linked to the incidents of post-poll violence.
Well, absolutely. Remember, this is the time that the Trinamool Congress is facing a lot of flack within the party. Remember, several chairmen of municipalities, several TMC leaders are going on to resign from their posts. And this is when the Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee has announced that she is likely to hold a sit-in protest at the Rani Rashmani Road on June 2nd. However, they have written to the Kolkata police seeking permission to hold the sit-in protest, but it is unclear at the moment whether Kolkata police is going to grant them permission to hold the dharna or not. Remember, a couple of days ago, the West Bengal government had clearly issued an order stating that no programs can be held, religious or otherwise, where the roads will be blocked. So now it is to be seen whether the Kolkata police follows the directive of the state government and does not grant permission, or whether some changes will be made to allow Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee to hold the sit-in protest on 2nd June at the Rani Rashmani Road.
Right. Let's connect with Mr. Shukanto Majumdar. He is connected with us on the phone line. Sir, good morning. When it comes to the very existence of TMC, that has now become a talking point as far as West Bengal is concerned, sir, because the SIR issue that, with regards to Bihar, which had taken up in the Supreme Court, the verdict is already out. But when we speak of the TMC, Mamata Banerjee, as the former chief minister, now plans to hold a dharna in which she says that there has been rising cases of post-poll violence.
So see, even just before election, I told media that Mamata Banerjee at that time, she was practicing to perform dharna because after the election, she will be the leader of opposition. Though she is not formally the leader of opposition inside the house, but outside the house, she is the leader of opposition of her party. So she is starting his dharna. That means my forecasting was quite correct. And the thing is that the reason behind or the issue behind this dharna, which Mamata Banerjee going to start, is the violence. Now, ask her and her party, why is the violence? During the 2021, when TMC won, at that time, almost 12,000 FIR were lodged for this post-poll violence. Now, how many FIR have been lodged this time? It's very scanty, a very tiny amount of FIR has been lodged, and only few sporadic incidents happen in some places. Most of the places, the police has taken the cognizance of it, and even the BJP workers, they have been arrested by the police because our party has taken a strong stand that we won't allow anyone to do violence.
Right, sir, because we remember, Mamata Banerjee, who was spotted in a lawyer's gown at the court to argue post-poll violence cases, and the case that pertains to allegations of attacks on political workers and party offices following the high-stakes elections that ended TMC's 15-year rule. Thank you very much, Mr. Shukanto Majumdar, for joining us here on the broadcast. Let's, in the meantime,